Welcome to Your Company Name, your trusted partner for affordable tree cutting services in Cumming, Georgia. We understand the importance of keeping your property safe and beautiful. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing top-quality tree care at prices that won't break the bank. Whether you need a single tree removed or a complete property cleanup, we're here to help. Call us today at 77047000481 for a free, no-obligation quote, and let us take care of your tree needs. At Your Company Name, we offer a comprehensive range of tree services to meet all your needs. From routine trimming to emergency removal, our skilled arborists have the expertise to handle any situation. Need to improve your property's aesthetics and prevent damage? We offer professional tree trimming to enhance your landscape and ensure healthy growth. Is a fallen tree causing an obstruction? We provide efficient and safe tree removal, leaving your property clear and safe. Concerned about unsightly stumps? Our stump grinding services eliminate them completely, restoring your yard to its pristine condition. And in case of storm damage or unexpected emergencies, we provide fast and reliable emergency tree care services to protect your property and loved ones. We believe that quality tree care shouldn't come with a hefty price tag. At Your Company Name, we offer competitive pricing that's tailored to your specific needs. Our transparent pricing structure ensures you know exactly what you're paying for, without any hidden fees. We provide detailed estimates for each service, so you can make informed decisions about your tree care budget. We also offer special discounts for seniors, military personnel, and repeat customers, demonstrating our commitment to providing value and affordability to our community. Don't settle for overpriced tree services. Call us today and experience the difference of Your Company Name, affordable, reliable, and professional tree care you can trust. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say about their experience with Your Company Name. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service and exceeding expectations. Our clients consistently praise our affordability, professionalism, and the quality of our work. From prompt and courteous service to meticulous attention to detail, we strive to make every interaction a positive one. Our customers appreciate our transparent communication, competitive pricing, and commitment to delivering lasting results. See for yourself the difference Your Company Name makes. Let our satisfied customers be your guide to finding the best tree care services in Cumming. Ready to experience the difference of Your Company Name? Don't wait any longer to take control of your tree care needs. Call us today at 77047000481 for a free, no-obligation quote. Our friendly team is ready to answer your questions and schedule a consultation. Visit our website at your website address to learn more about our services, view our portfolio, and connect with us on social media. Let us take care of your trees so you can enjoy the beauty and peace of mind they bring. Choose Your Company Name, your trusted partner for affordable and reliable tree services in Cumming.